Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some exciting news to share. You know the retail giant Walmart, right? Well, they've just been crowned Yahoo Finance's Company of the Year for 2024. Let's break down why Walmart is absolutely crushing it this year. First up, let's talk about the mastermind behind Walmart's success, CEO Doug McMillon. Under McMillon's visionary leadership, Walmart made some smart pre-pandemic investments in employee wages, education, lower prices, e-commerce, and cutting-edge tech. These moves have positioned Walmart to thrive, especially as online shopping and delivery have skyrocketed. Now let's dive into some impressive numbers. Walmart's market share has been growing, even among higher-income shoppers. In 2024, Walmart is projected to command a 10.6% share of the top 2,000 North American online retailers. That's a massive leap from just 4.4% in 2017. They're not just competing with Amazon, they're challenging them head-on. Financially, Walmart is on fire. In Q3 2024, they beat Wall Street estimates with a 5.3% comparable sales gain in the US, driven by strong growth in food, health, and wellness. Global e-commerce sales shot up by 27%. Walmart even raised its full-year sales growth forecast to up to 5.1%, and they're expecting an 11% year-over-year increase in earnings per share. For the first 9 months of 2024, sales jumped by $26 billion, and they spent $3 billion on stock buybacks. Operating margins expanded across the board. With 90% of analysts rating Walmart stock as a strong buy or buy, investor confidence is sky high. Speaking of strategic moves, Walmart's $2.3 billion acquisition of Vizio is a game-changer. This deal is set to boost Walmart's advertising business by leveraging consumer data, allowing for more personalized ads and better customer engagement. But that's not all. Walmart is leading the way in tech innovation, investing heavily in AI, augmented reality, same-day delivery, and even drone delivery. Their focus on personalized online experiences is making shopping more convenient and efficient for everyone. Now let's talk stock performance. Walmart's stock has soared by 82% year-to-date, leaving the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average in the dust. With a price-to-earnings ratio of 24, Walmart's stock reflects strong investor confidence and a bright future ahead. In contrast, their competitor Target has been struggling, missing Q3 profit forecasts and lowering their full-year guidance. This just highlights Walmart's strategic success and resilience in a tough market. Analysts like Oliver Chen from TD Cowen are singing Walmart's praises, naming it his best idea for 2024. He points to Walmart's AI integration, marketplace models, and digital advertising as key drivers for long-term margin improvement. In conclusion, Walmart's recognition as Yahoo Finance's Company of the Year for 2024 is well-deserved. Their strategic vision, technological innovation, and stellar financial performance are setting new standards in the retail industry. I can't wait to see what's next for Walmart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more business and finance insights. Thanks for watching.